Today I'm here again, and today I got a new healthy recipe to show you guys. So this recipe is for like all my friends that eating these little types of bars, and this recipe is for you because these bars are really healthy and delicious. The bars has lots of sugar, so please try this healthy bar recipes. Let's get started. What we need is oats, almond, prunes, mixed seeds, peanut butter, honey, spraying oil. I prepared a tray that I sprayed with the oil spray. So I'm going to start by putting the oats in a big bowl. Add the almond, the prune, the mixed seeds. I melt the peanut butter and the honey together, and now I'm going to add the peanut butter and the honey inside our mixture. I'm going to mix it, then I'm going to use my hands, and make sure your hands are clean. So we have to mix it until it comes like a dough. So I'm trying to make it a ball, then after put everything in here. So I have put it in one side. You can see it's like half of the tray. But if you are with 2 or 3 people, you might have double the ingredients. So what I have done, I have put it in one side, and then after pressing it, so you can get. I'll put it in the fridge and I'll come to you later.